Hello friends, in this video let us discuss about the comparative study of SN1 and SN2 reactions, right? Let us see the first one over there, the first one, okay? What is the statement? The first statement, let us take molecularity, okay? For SN1 reaction, what is the molecularity? It is unimolecular reaction, unimolecular. For SN2, it is bimolecular reaction. Now let us take the second statement. Okay, number of steps involved in the reaction. Number of steps. Since SN1 is non-concentrated reaction takes place with more than one single step, that's what it is, 2 steps. Okay, because it's a non-concentrated reaction. Non-concentrated. Okay, what about the SN2? It is single step reaction. It is concerted reaction. Now let us take the third statement over here. Third statement, reactivity of alkyl halides. Reactivity of alkyl halides. The first, generally in a SN1 reaction, formation of intermediate takes place. The tertiary greater than the stability order is going to be tertiary, secondary, and primary. Right? That's what tertiary alkyl halide is greater than secondary and primary. Here it is opposite, right? Because of which we can expect generally methyl, then primary, secondary, and tertiary. Okay, then let us see the fourth statement over here. Okay, what is the kinetics of the reaction? Okay, rate of the reaction of the SN1 reaction depends on only the substrate, tertiary alkyl halide, right? And it's a first order reaction. What is this? Rate depends on only tertiary alkyl halide or alcohols or whatever. Okay, this is what it is, right? And it is, what is that? First order reaction. Okay, then what about the SN2 reaction? Rate depends on both concentration of substrate and the incoming nucleophile, primary alkyl halides, and the concentration, right? Yeah, and the incoming nucleophile. It is second order reaction. Now let us see the fifth statement. Okay, what is intermediate for the reaction? Let us take the statement. This is intermediate. The first order reaction intermediate is going to be carbocation, right? Carbocation planar, right? Okay, here no intermediate. In SN2 reaction there are no intermediate, only transition state or activated complex is formed. Okay, let us take the sixth statement, right? Sixth statement, what is the stereochemistry of the reaction? It forms racemic mixture with the chiral center, right? But here inversion takes place, right? In the case of SN2 reaction, that is known as Walden inversion or umbrella effect. Okay, let us take the seventh statement. Rearrangement. Okay, in the case of SN1 reaction, okay, intermediate is carbocation, right? Because of which we can expect the rearrangement to form the stable intermediate over there, right? There is a rearrangement takes place, but in the case of SN2 reaction we can't expect any rearrangements over there. Let us take the eighth statement over there. Nature of leaving group. Okay, nature of leaving group or leaving nucleophile. Okay, now what is this rate of the reaction for the SN1 and the SN2? What happens? What is the common Rate of the reaction depends on the substrate, right? In the both the case, leaving nucleophile is a part of the substrate because what we can say, good leaving nucleophile increases, good leaving nucleophile or leaving group increases, okay, rate of the reaction increases. Okay, the same statement here also, okay, for both the SN1 and SN2 reactions. Let us take the ninth statement over there. Incoming nature of incoming nucleophile. In the case of SN1 reactions, right, rate of the reaction only depends on the substrate, concentration of the substrate, but not the incoming nucleophile, right? That's what, does not depends on the incoming nucleophile, but it depends, okay, good or strong nucleophile, incoming nucleophile, I'll write incoming nucleophile increases the rate of the reaction, okay, rate of the reaction. Now let us take the 10th statement over here, the last statement, 10th statement. Okay, what is the solvent we'll be using for this one? Solvent, the case of first one, right, SN1 reaction, polar protic solvent is preferred, right? In the case of SN2 reaction, polar protic solvent is preferred. This is how, this is all about what is this comparative study between SN1 and SN2 reactions. Thank you for watching.